If you're looking for a way to optimize your LinkedIn ads with cutting-edge technology, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into how to use AdCreative AI for LinkedIn ads, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create high-converting, data-driven creatives that boost your performance. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share an exclusive way for you to try AdCreative AI for free with some bonuses to get you started. AdCreative AI is a powerful tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate ad creatives in minutes. Whether you're new to digital advertising or a seasoned pro, this software can drastically cut down your ad design time, allowing you to focus on the strategy and performance of your campaigns. The beauty of AdCreative AI lies in its ability to automatically create multiple ad variations in just a few clicks. You don't need any design skills, just input your campaign's goals and the AI does the rest. With LinkedIn's highly professional and business-focused audience, it's crucial to have ad creatives that not only grab attention, but also convert. That's where AdCreative AI shines. It pulls from your LinkedIn audience insights, adapting to the platform's best practices to ensure that the ads resonate with users on a professional level. To get started, you simply choose your objective. Is it brand awareness, lead generation, website traffic? From there, you provide some basic information about your target audience and product. AdCreative AI then generates a set of dynamic ad creatives that you can review and launch right away. You get access to high-quality images, compelling headlines, and optimized copy, all tailored to what works best on LinkedIn. It's not just about designing an ad, it's about crafting an ad that is built to convert based on data. And the best part? You can test different creatives to see which performs best without ever having to worry about the time-consuming design process. It's a great way to optimize your ad spend, especially on LinkedIn, where competition for attention can be fierce. What's more, AdCreative AI leverages machine learning to continuously improve the ads over time. As you run your LinkedIn campaigns, the software learns from the data and can suggest new tweaks to further optimize the creative for higher engagement. It's a game changer for anyone looking to scale their ad campaigns without the constant trial and error that usually comes with A/B testing. Now, if you're thinking that this sounds like a complex tool to use, don't worry. It's incredibly user-friendly. You don't have to be a tech guru to understand the features or navigate the platform. In fact, AdCreative AI's intuitive interface ensures that even beginners can quickly set up campaigns that perform well. But let's get to the good part. You can actually use AdCreative AI for free right now. Through an exclusive link below, you'll get access to an extended free trial. This means you can start creating high-converting LinkedIn ads without any initial investment. With this exclusive offer, there's no excuse not to give it a try and see how much time and money it can save you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your LinkedIn ads with AI-driven creativity. If you want to see better results, lower your ad spend, and skip the hassle of manual design, AdCreative AI is the tool you need. Go ahead, try it out through the link below and let me know in the comments how it works for your LinkedIn campaigns. And remember, with this exclusive free trial, you can get started without any risk.